Good morning. I'm just wishing to give you a quick demonstration of my latest steam engine. Well, it runs on compressed air at the present moment due to absence of steam. This particular machine is a single cylinder wobbler, and the reason they call it a wobbler is because the movement of the cylinder actually provides the valving. So I'll just turn on a little bit of compressed air and we'll see what happens. You just need a little bit of momentum to get the show on the road. There we go. This is a very low pressure steam engine, and as one can see, if you look at the pressure gauge, we're running somewhere around about 30 to 50 kPa. I'll actually slow that right down, and I think we can get away with around about 20 kPa. Well, 20 to 30 anyway. You can see the air inlet, which is being delivered, and the other port is the exhaust port. Kinking the hose a bit there, slow it down even further. And I'll just reduce the volume and see how slow we can actually go. The machine is actually just made of aluminium and a bit of brass, with a brass piston, then a stainless steel flywheel. We're now running just about 20 kPa, so it's quite a low pressure device, and it works well. Obviously it would work on steam, but since I don't have steam on tap, I just use compressed air at the present moment. Okay, that's about it. Hope you enjoyed the latest creation.